Good day, everybody. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Hari tadi kurang may minggu tadi bago sigla ng nakapi ka rin. First stage in the morning after 10K run. Shout out to Mike. Mike, shout out. Yeah, Mike Scissors.
Okay, see you.
Just finished 10K run, and after I came to La Paz Market. It's my hangout. Ari naman ito sa La Paz Market. First, coffee is life. Coffee is life. Namit it. Very strong. Very strong. This is very strong. Very strong coffee. Maybe local coffee, Robusta. Ano Robusta? Maybe Arabica. Arabica. Very strong coffee. They give me very strong. Maybe insomnia. Black insomnia. This is black insomnia coffee. I don't know what they call this one. Okay, have a nice good day, productive day, everyone. This one is number 1. Just finished 10K run, and after come here and to unwind myself. Why si boss? Alone on me. Why ang boss ta? Gapar nang go pa to boss ta. Kasi itis kagawad. Nang go pa si boss. Was good day, productive day to everyone. Coffee is life. Start with the day right. Exercise, pray, and eat healthy.